In this video, I'm going to show you how to use PDF24 to merge your documents. Now, PDF24 is a free and easy to use PDF solution with many features for download. Okay, so all you need is to download and install it. It is very free and available. It's available for Mac and Windows operating system as well. So you can just download and install it. I've just downloaded and installed mine, so I can come to a start menu over here. I can see PDF24. Now take a look at the bunch of different things that you can do with this. Okay, organize PDF, merge PDFs, and so on. So let's say in this case I want to merge my PDFs. So I can just click, and then you have to choose the files that you want to work with. So let's say I have it on this download, I have this merged, and let's see if I have some more. Let's say this one, and let me add one more. Okay, so this one, I can just click. Now I have 3 PDF documents all uploaded. So if I want, I can rearrange their positions as well and have this one comes first. Anyone you can delete, you can always visualize, click to visualize what exactly is inside. Okay, once you are done, you can click. So once you are okay with the arrangement, you can go ahead and click on merge. And if you want to add more documents, you can as well add them. So we can see it's been done. Your PDF will have processed your job, so you can see save, and then you can specify where you want to save it. So for example, I say merge 123. Okay, so I can go ahead and say save. Now my document had been saved at that particular location. I can click on continue. Now I can do other things. So let me just quickly go back and then show you what I have merged. You can see it's merged 123, and everything is being captured over here. You can see everything that I have inserted had been captured in this one document, right? Very, very fantastic and very, very nice. You can see the document completely matched the way I wanted. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.